Welcome to the world of sound. Today, we're going to explore the properties of sound, a fascinating topic that explains how sound is created, how it travels, and how it behaves. You'll need this information to solve puzzles and challenges in the escape room adventure Properties of Sound, Echoes of the Haunted Manor. Let's get started. First, what is sound? Sound is a type of energy created when objects vibrate. When something vibrates, it causes the air particles around it to move, creating sound waves. These sound waves travel through different materials like air, water, and solids. In fact, sound travels faster through solids because the particles are packed closely together. Imagine the chandeliers in the grand hall shaking. Those vibrations create sound waves that travel through the air and even the floor. You'll see this in action in the escape room, so remember, sound is made by vibrations and these waves can move through different materials. Now, let's talk about pitch and volume. Pitch is how high or low a sound is, and it's determined by the frequency of the sound waves. When sound waves vibrate quickly, we hear a high-pitched sound. When they vibrate slowly, the pitch is lower. Think about the instruments in the phantom music room. The pitch changes based on how the strings or air columns in the instruments vibrate. Volume, on the other hand, is the loudness of a sound. It's determined by the amplitude or height of the sound waves. If the waves are tall, the sound is loud. If they're short, the sound is soft. So pitch depends on frequency and volume depends on amplitude. These are important to know when exploring the phantom music room. Pay attention to how these properties change the sound you hear. Next, let's look at how sound behaves when it meets different materials. When sound waves hit a hard surface like the bookshelves or walls of the whispering library, they bounce back, creating an echo. That's why you might hear your voice echo when you shout in an empty room or a canyon. But if sound waves hit soft materials like the velvet curtains in the library, they get absorbed. This stops the sound from reflecting and makes it quieter. Sound can also pass through different materials. This is called transmission. For example, sound travels quickly through solids, slower through liquids, and even slower through gases like air. In the Whispering Library, understanding how sound reflects, absorbs, and transmits through different materials will help you solve the final puzzles. Now that you know all about the properties of sound, vibrations, pitch, volume, echoes, and more, you're ready to explore the Haunted Echo Manor. Remember to use the adventure guide if you need a refresher while navigating the escape room. And don't forget to visit excavatingadventures.com for tons of interactive, educational, science-themed escape rooms and even the chance to earn free dig kits. Good luck, sound explorers, and let the adventure begin.